Hey guys! So last week when I was coming to my location in Pennsylvania, I went through a construction area and unfortunately I clipped a sign with my mirror. Thankfully the mirror itself is totally okay, but I broke the glass. So here's the mirror now. As you can see, the side of the mirror just has this one little ding, but that's fine. The rest of the arm is totally okay. So we're going to install just the mirror part, which is really nice because it was only $50 and I didn't have to completely replace the whole arm, which would have been like $200. So I'm just going to show you as I learn how to replace this mirror. Okay, so this is a Velvac Class C replacement glass kit. That is the product number. This is what it looks like. This particular one does come with the small magnifying mirror as well. Again, Class C replacement glass kit. As you can see, my magnifying mirror is fine, so I'm going to keep the extra one just in case, but let's see. There we go. Okay, so underneath here there are 6 locations. Top, 2 on the side, 1 on the bottom, 2 on this side. You can see them from the inside. Let me show you that little part. There's 6 of them. So you want to find those. See that way in there? And then what you're gonna do is put your flathead screwdriver into that spot and pull out. It's gonna pop this black part, this outer edge, off of this white part. I've been trying to do it from this way and it's not working. All I did was kind of scratch up the side. So I'm finding that coming from this way is much better. Now the next part in my directions says to tighten these 4 bolts with a socket wrench, but my mirror is very secure. It did hit something, but the only problem was the face, so those are still very tight. I'm going to skip them, but I would check yours just to see. Okay, so the next part in this is to put our adhesive on our mirror. So we have 4 spots. You can see the little indent of them, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're given these little strips. They're basically kind of like double-sided tape. They're kind of foamy. You're gonna peel off one side, stick it to each of these, and then peel off the other side so that we can stick our mirror to it. Should be doing this with gloves. Get your tetanus shot. Okay, and then once we have all 4, we're gonna peel them off. And we have our mirror. Okay, so we have our mirror. We're going to stick it to our sticky pieces. Press down a bit. Be careful. You can wash that off later. Okay. Okay, so the last part is to take the bezel, and we're just going to clip it into its home. Again, 6 spots. Very last thing is we do have a new magnifying mirror. So we are going to put on the new one. I will save the other one that's not broken just in case. So this comes with another double-sided sticky back. Just gonna peel that off and stick it on just the way it was. Right about and there we go. And that is how to replace your Velvec side mirror. If you want more how-to tutorials for an RV, especially solo living, just subscribe to my YouTube channel.